Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to check your favorite videos in your TikTok. This is very easy. For example, this is a video how to make this video favorite. To make this video favorite, you have to click on this favorite icon. When you click on this, here you can see this video added to favorites. How to check this favorite videos on your profile. First of all, you have to click on right bottom your profile icon. After that, when you click on this right bottom your profile icon, you have to click on this heart icon at the left side. Here you can see heart icon at the left side. You have to click on this. Now here you have to click on this heart icon at the left side. When you click on this, now here you can see my all favorite videos on TikTok. In this way you can check my favorite TikTok videos. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.